In this video, I am going to show you how to enable one-handed mode on Samsung Galaxy phones running on One UI. People with small hands will have difficulty reaching to the entire phone. For them, one-handed mode is quite useful. To enable the one-handed mode on your Samsung Galaxy phones, open the settings. Under settings, you need to select advanced features. Under advanced feature, here you can see the one-handed mode. Enable that. Click on one-handed mode. Once you click on tab 100 mode, they have given how to enable it. In the middle part, swipe down like this. Here you can see that the size of the window is reduced. Now you can use the phone like this. Here you can see that you can reach the entire phone. It works perfectly. To switch to the left hand, click on this button. It will switch to the left. You click on this button, switch to the right. If you want to exit this one-handed mode, simply tap on this empty area. It will exit the one-handed mode. So that's it guys. In this way you can enable one-handed mode on Samsung Galaxy phones running on One UI. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.